This video is sponsored by Zen Homes. You remember Zen Hassan? Some time ago, we did a video called 12 Things to Consider When Building or Buying a House in Trinidad and Tobago. So I'm bouncing up with him today to check out a product that he's launched. And I'm pretty excited because after the work here, we head into Cora to do something exciting in the studio.
This is Zen from Zen Homes, and I'm introducing SPC Flooring by Zen Homes. It's a composite material that's 60% limestone, 40% PVC. Our flooring has been properly sourced to meet and exceed the minimum US standard, and we have brought this to Trinidad. New and exciting. What we've noticed on the market before was a very thin material, and it was not as thick, and nor was it as long as it ought to be for that luxurious look. What we did is that we improved things with our supplier, and we also improved the locking mechanism that had already existed. What we now have is 9 inches in width, 60 inches or 5 feet in length, and 7 millimeters in thickness. Locking is on all 4 sides. There's groove and tongue on 4 sides. The weight of the floor is what keeps it flat.
I'm not familiar with this type of work, but it's already making tile look unattractive for it. So what you will do between these 2 points here, you will put a finisher of some sort?
So we'll carry it straight to the existing flooring, and we will use that C-molding or reducer as well.
So guys, this job looking as though it's almost completed. Just to go around with some base molding, attach the kick strip to the end. We have been here probably about 55 minutes.
I know one of the things that will appeal to Kim is the dust-free work environment.
And no woman like workmen too long in the house. Come and do it, get out fast. Minimal cleanup.
And I know no bookman too long in my house to it.
So guys, it took about, I'll say, an hour, 10 minutes to get this job completed. Total transformation.
Beauty is the cutting.
Oh, okay.
We're staggering the floor as well.
Okay, alright, okay, perfect.
Long, short, long.
Well then, yeah, the length of it.
We should go this way.
Yeah.
And it'll keep the length and same size as we as well.
So Miguel.
Yes, I met Miguel. Miguel is very...
Miguel is the boss lady, yeah?
Yes, of course.
If you was thinking I was the boss, you were mistaken.
Yeah.
And what color is this? It's grey?
It's white.
White.
It's white?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I know.
So white paint just work.
Yeah.
The aspect of no tin set and dust really appealing, eh?
I find that real amazing. That's why I asked how they're going to attach it.
One of the most versatile things about this floor is that it doesn't have to be a new build or a new construction. Those who are in their homes for 20, 30, 40 years and you need an updated look and you need something modern looking, all you need to do is just change the flooring. Minimal mess. The cost of it is only about 60% of what a tile job would cost you. So it's a great saving. It's a beautiful alternative. No mess, no dust, quick cleanup, and very fast. Look how quickly these guys will do this. So all we really ask is for a properly screeded and level floor. And even if we can't achieve that, we have ways that we can level the floor for you.
Is this the same room?
Well, yeah, I don't know if you're in the right place. Yeah, let's see.
I'll go and buy some paint now, boy. Mr. Miguel, sir. How are you going?
Paint fine. Nicely well done.
Wow. Look, you see how seamless this is?
So part of the attributes of this flooring, in addition to being one, waterproof and fireproof, and as we just found out, scratch proof, it's scratch resistant. We ran a chisel on it earlier today. We also know that it's ideally suited for like even on an upstairs. Now, do you know like if when people have 2 floors in their homes and you're downstairs and someone is upstairs and they're walking upstairs, you hear them treading on the floor.
Yeah.
This reduces that almost to nil.
This makes me kind of feel like, yeah, make our office Lyndon, make your little studio. But then it's like, no, I will make my bedroom. This is something you'll see in a magazine.
Yeah, no, it really has a sophisticated look. Now, the rest of our house is tiled. So from that point of view, how do you feel about it in terms of tiles and...
That does look at the transition, you can't tell what this is. Don't walk on that slip, right? Why? Yeah, because
it has glue and it's dry.
So you know when you glue something, it has to dry before you can move it. Yeah, be careful. Just
Yeah,
don't
I was
progress.
most concerned about the transition and that molding strip.
Yeah, it breaks. What happened?
Satisfied.
There's one here too, okay? So don't walk on this one.
I mean, did the job in 2 hours?
In 2 hours there, I was about to